Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here you can enable watermark. And after you enable device watermark, here you can add custom watermark. For example, something like that. And now every photo you take will be marked with your custom watermark. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.